This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It's Thursday, the 19th of July, and markets were up quite steadily overnight in Europe and in the US, and looks like the Australian market is going to follow that this morning. As we take a look at the FTSE index, it was up 56 points or 1%, a strong short-term buyer push there, starting to push above the recent short-term highs, and that looks like it is on the path of continuing in its upwards trend through here. The German DAX was up 106 points or 1.6%, quite strong movement there, and broke through its previous high. So well and truly still continuing in its trend there, closing at 6684. The French CAC 40 was also up quite strongly, up 58 points or 1.8%, closing at 3235. So that's well on its path to its previous high point up here at 3276. As we take a look at the US markets, the Dow Jones is up 103 points or 0.8%. It's the little red candle there is the futures ahead of tonight's open, but the strong solid green candle we've got here is the indication of last night's activity, pushing up towards previous highs. And again, it looks like we're in a trading range here, so we do need to be careful of what's going to occur up at this level up here, just below 13,000 points over the next few sessions. The S&P 500 index, representing the broader market, was up quite steadily as well, up 9 points or 0.67%, closing at 1372. It too back up to its previous short-term high. The Nasdaq index, representing technology stocks, off the back of some pretty steady earnings results in technology sector, that closed up 32 points or 1.1% and closed at 2942. So in a slow moving upwards trend here, but we're in a short-term rally, and again expectations of trading back up to this previous high. Taking a look at the VIX index, I'm just using another software here as our Halifax Online platform hasn't got an up-to-date price for the VIX. It closed down 32 cents or 1.9% and is now at some very long-term lows. So volatility has really been sucked out of the markets over the last 2.5 months. We're in an extreme low period, and this sort of levels here on the VIX do indicate a situation that would depict a bullish market. So as long as the VIX is hovering down around this $16-17 level, we should be expecting the markets to maintain this slow upwards trending situation. But any sort of negativity, and if this VIX starts trading back up towards 20, then we're likely to see that there's be a little bit of panic in the markets at that stage. Very similar to what we had seen earlier in the year, where the VIX had popped all the way up to $27 here. And taking a look closer to home at the ASX 200, it was down 17 points yesterday, closing at 4123, and we can see this inside day here, a lower high but a higher low, forming a small red candle, and we call that an inside day. It's a non-directional day. It still is in a continuation of the short-term rally. We can see the expansion of the candlesticks through here, bit of hesitation yesterday, and with the SPY futures up 36 points, it is pointing towards us having a continuation of that short-term rally on the ASX 200. So it appears to be holding above its 50-period moving average. We have the potential to be trading back up towards our recent high point here around 4175 as a ballpark. So we will be potentially testing that in the next couple of sessions, all things being equal. Well, that's our summary for today, Thursday 19th of July. We wish you all the best of trading and look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow.